I take you to Uttar Pradesh, where in the riot zone Sambhal, there are special arrangements being made ahead of the Holi festival that also coincides with the Friday Namaz prayers. Uttar Pradesh government has issued special guidelines to ensure no communal flare-up takes place. The authorities have mandated precautionary steps and measures, for example, ramping up security measures. We're told that 10 mosques, including the Jama Masjid, which are on the path of the Holi procession possibly, will be covered using a tarpaulin ahead of the Holi procession. As per the latest guidelines, cops will visit all areas deemed to be sensitive. They'll also visit the spots for Holika Dahan, which is on the eve of Holi festival. And the police will reach out meanwhile to the religious community leaders on both sides to ensure that peace prevails. Cops have been specifically tasked to monitor mixed population areas where procession routes are going to be there. Could be communal hotspots, which means CCTV cameras, drones have been deployed. Interestingly, amid all of this, in UP, the Delhi BJP has echoed what the Sambhal cop and who had support from Yogi Adityanath said, saying if they are members of the Muslim community, they do not want colour or are not comfortable with Holi, they must stay indoor for that duration. Mayor of Bihar's Darbhanga, meanwhile, stirred another row. She suggested that Holi celebration should be halted for 2 hours because that's the time of the Juma Namaz.
Holi celebration is just a day away and Sambhal is under tight blanket of security. Currently, I am here at the Shankar Chowk at the main market of Sambhal, which witnessed violent riots last year in the month of November, where 5 people have lost their life. But keeping all that in mind, the administration have deployed heavy police as well as RRF and PSC constables and police personals on the ground to keep eye on the situation. As you can see in the visuals, I am here at the Shankar Chowk, the main market of the Sambhal, which is few meters away from the Shahi Jama Masjid, and not here. Various places which are seen sensitive by the administration, like these police personnel are deployed there with anti-riot gears. 3 layers of security has been planned in the city to control the situation, as well as the city has been divided into 6 zones and 29 sectors. Not only police personnel, but police and other departments are keeping eye via CCTV and drones on the ground. And here you can see in the visuals behind me how police personnel are deployed here, because only 1 day is left for the Holi and Friday prayers are coinciding on the same day. Keeping all that in mind, the administration is also talking with peace committees. They have formed various peace committees, those who are bringing people from various organizations, masjid committees, mandir committees on one platform to request peace. With cameraman Pradeep Gupta, Anmol Bali, Sambhal.
सभी लोगों से अपील भी की गई है कि 2:30 बजे से पहले अपना होली खेलें और 2:30 बजे के बाद में जिन लोगों को अपनी जुम्मे की नमाज अदा करनी है वो लोग अपनी नमाज अदा करें। दोनों समुदायों के लोग शांतिपूर्वक तरीके से इस त्योहार को मनाएं, सहयोग करें पुलिस और प्रशासन का। कोई भी व्यक्ति जिसको अगर जबरदस्ती गुलाल लगाया गया है और वो फील करता है इस तरीके से, तो उसको संबंधित पुलिस थाने या चौकी पे जाना चाहिए। पुलिस उस पर सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करेगी। किसी भी व्यक्ति को कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में लेने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
मैं मेरे मुसलमान भाइयों से विनती करूंगा कि नमाज इस बार हमारी 1 साल के अंदर ये त्यौहार आता है, हम आपका सम्मान करते हैं, आप भी हमारे त्यौहार का सम्मान करिए। इस बार नमाज अपने घर में ही पढ़िए ताकि आपको हमसे कोई शिकायत ना हो कि ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया, और शांति बनी रहे। इस शांति के साथ मैं उन सब लोगों से प्रार्थना करना चाहता हूं कि आपके 52 बार आप शुक्रवार आते हैं साल के अंदर, इस बार निवेदन करता हूं कि आप अपने घर में पढ़िए ताकि हम भी हर्षोल्लास के साथ अपनी होली को मना सकें, सद्भावना के साथ, प्यार के साथ, क्योंकि ये प्यार का त्यौहार है।
मैंने अपने बयान पे खेद प्रकट किया है, और जो है सुबह से मेरे पास हर तरह के आदमी आ रहे हैं। मुझे कोई जो है बांग्लादेशी कह रहा है, कोई देशद्रोही कह रहा है। तो मैं मीडिया कर्मी भाइयों से ही कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर ठीक है, आप मेरे बारे में जांच करा लीजिए। अगर कुछ ऐसा पुख्ता सबूत मिलता है तो मेरे पे जो सख्त कार्रवाई होती है वो आप करवाइए।